Good day everyone, it's Rosie Michael, and today I want to show you the way I letter the month of January in 2 ways. So follow me. And that's my daughter, the background sound. If you notice, the first letter, the first style, the base is the same. Okay, look at that. And the second one is, I want to make like something like bounce lettering. So this is how we do it. Just alternately make the base. So if you notice, there's an alternate base here. Up, down, up, and down. Okay, so that's how we letter the month of January. Thank you very much.